what narrative is really catching your attention right now?
So I jumped on the Ton ecosystem to explore some DeFi projects, exchanges, swaps, and stuff like that. And then recently, new applications started to coming out, and those applications are actually integrated in the Messenger, Telegram Messenger. The New Protocol, recently they launched a wallet. The idea is cool. The onboarding process is very easy because for users, they just open their Messenger, they click launch the app is launched. So that's it. You're already in.
Today we're diving into Ton, which is the open network, and we're speaking with Mark. Mark is a YouTuber, and he also works for BingX, and his community has been buzzing around Ton. And I wanted to learn more about this chain because there's a lot of activity happening there. It's in the top 15 for a reason, and I wanted to learn more about it. Before we jump in, if you have not done so already, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. It'll help the channel and my guests. Now, let's listen to Mark talk about why he and his community is so excited about Ton.
I knew it was built with the support of Telegram, and as soon as I knew that, I was like, okay, this is something huge. What is crypto? Crypto is about community, right? It's the bigger community, the stronger the project. So I jumped on the Ton ecosystem to explore some DeFi projects, exchanges, swaps, and stuff like that. And then recently, new applications started to coming out, and those applications are actually integrated in the Messenger, Telegram Messenger. But there is like disadvantage of the how those applications work. Sometimes you have to wait how the network gets busy, and then like it's problem of I think they might fix it in the future, but I'm using it 5 months. Like for example, Near Wallet launched the Near Protocol. Recently they launched a wallet, and it still needs some improvement. And then previously they launched Notcoin, already like 3 months, but okay, they improved the server. I don't know, they need amount of server to be, I don't know how big, because the network gets busier and then it's get laggy. This is the first thing of, okay, but the idea is cool. The onboarding process is very easy because for users, they just open their Messenger, they click launch the app is launched. So that's it. You're already in. So the way they have this vision to onboard new users on the blockchain and Web3 ecosystem is hands down one of the best from what what I saw in the blockchain. And other apps they have DDAST that allows you to, I think it's a swap, like when you can swap the coins inside the ecosystem. Seems still a lack of liquidity maybe, but some positions cannot be executed as fast as, for example, in 1inch or PancakeSwap, for example. Of course, we know that those are one of the best swaps. But what I believe, there are some, because it's a new blockchain. It's a new blockchain that recently got released to the mass, and it got integrated into the Telegram. So what I would this is one of the blockchain I'm bullish currently. There will be more apps coming out. They created good platform for the builders to build some also Telegram apps that will be connected to the blockchain. Like we saw, Near Protocol is now actively working on integrating their own wallet inside Telegram with the Telegram domain. So instead of using your public address, so you can simply use your username .tg, and then you can receive your you can withdraw, for example, from Binance. You don't need anymore you don't need this long address. So you just need my username on Telegram. And from Binance, Bybit, OKX, recently they already integrate these kind of features. So why they do that? The first is for the users, because it's easy to use. Onboarding process is very, very easy to understand for the new users who is coming into the blockchain.
So Ton and Near Protocol are making it easy to onboard users directly through Telegram, and even using your Telegram handle as a wallet address. Being that I work in crypto and am on Telegram religiously, this is something that I find exciting. Plus, look at the development that's happening on Ton. According to a report by Electric Capital, they are the 5th fastest growing ecosystem by overall developers. And there are currently 551 applications that are being built in the Ton ecosystem. And this ranges from wallets to exchanges, explorers. There's different utilities here. Also, there's a project on Ton network that seems to be gaining in popularity. Ton coin price surges as Ton blockchain-based Notcoin gains dominance. Notcoin is a very simple game you tap to earn. The more you tap, the more points you earn, and what you get with those points, not entirely sure, but it's looking like it's setting up for an airdrop. If you're a degen and you like these types of things, then perhaps look into Notcoin. It's gaining a lot of popularity. I personally have not explored Ton enough, and so this is definitely on my radar. They're also very transparent in terms of their performance. If you go to live.ton.org, you can see how well their chain is performing. They have their TPS, total transactions, and this has been confirmed by Certic. They have also gone through extensive auditing by Certix. So if you go to their profile on skynet.certic.com and pull up the Open Network, you can see their security score, which is pretty strong at a 93. And for those that are a little bit more tech savvy, you can pull up their audit reports. And there's a lot of them. They have TON vesting, TON EVM bridge, TON stablecoin, the Open Network audit. Just click on View PDF and you're able to pull it right up. Of course, it's always important to do your research so you can stay safe, but it's great to see that over 90% of their chain has been audited. Something else that Mark shared with me was Cool Wallet, which I have not heard about before. Here's what he had to say about BingX, which is a company that created Cool Wallet.
I work for BingX. It's a security company. We have varieties of products: Signa Bridge, Cool Wallet, and X Saving. But what I think that the most popular product that we are making right now, it's the hardware wallet called Cool Wallet. So it's like any other wallets. It's just a hardware wallet with the shape of a credit card and has a screen on it to verify your transactions. So I currently work as a business development, so doing partnerships, handling the retailers network, since the demand was growing exponentially in Middle East, in Europe, in Russia. So kind of handling all those parts. And also, like I mentioned, we are trying to bring more blockchains into the Cool Wallets ecosystem. We have two models. The S model currently supports top 10 blockchains, 11, 10, and the Pro model supports, I think it's more than 23 blockchains. And we do integrations on the quarterly basis. So we select the projects we want to integrate, and we do the research, and we integrate. We ask the community, of course, what they want to see next, what kind of blockchain they want. But more or less, we try to integrate more and more blockchains, because that's what people want. Of course, they want wallet with the multiple currency, and Cool Wallet Pro actually solves that issue. So we have Cool Wallet Pro have right now pretty much all the popular blockchains that exist. So we recently integrated Base, Liena, and ZK. Currently working on integrating Algorand, TON.
All right, Mark, I have to ask, what makes Cool Wallet different and better than the tried and true cold storage solutions out there like Trezor or Ledger?
If we will compare the wallets that already exist, so I think what makes us different, first, like according to the history, we have never been hacked. So like we use like the security chip that is offline and open source. People can verify it on the GitHub. And we never had like any issue like, oh, like something got hacked or something, like the application or the hardware or something like that. So it's completely clean. And the next thing is it's completely easy to use. It's form of a credit card, the one that we get used to use as a bank card in our wallets. So it's exactly the same idea. We put it we created this kind of card, so you can take it with you anywhere you go. You have your crypto with you and solutions on the go. It's user-friendly, easy to use, and the most important is it's secure wallet. And the next thing is some wallets we know that they don't have a screen to verify your transactions. So on the Cool Wallet S and Pro, there is a built-in screen that every time you interact, you do any types of transactions, the screen will first ask you like, do you approve these transactions? And then there is a physical button when you can approve these transactions, and then you approve it on your phone. So that makes it even more secure. So because we know if there is no screen, then anybody can imitate your transactions. Like if you sign any transactions on MetaMask or any other hardware wallet that doesn't have a screen, it's like easy to imitate your transactions without approving it, because without having a screen, you are relying on the software, and software it's not that secure. That we all know that. So here we rely that the hardware chip will never lie to you. So what it shows on your screen, you approve it, and then you confirm it on your application. The card connects to your phone via the Bluetooth. So you have connection on the Bluetooth, and the setup process is also easy. Like I say, it's like once you get it, you write down your seed phrase. Seed phrase generates on the screen, which is also makes the hardware wallet even more secure. So, and like I say, I can show you here. Solution on the go, when you just can take it in your wallet. Like I'm always having on my wallet here, put it here, and then anytime if I travel anywhere and I see, oh, there is a crypto payment acceptance, just can take my card and pay it right there.
If you'd like to learn more about Cool Wallet, I included a link in the description. Please keep in mind, I have no ties to the company and I'm not a referral partner. They are not a sponsor on the show, so do your research on Cool Wallet the same way you would do research on other crypto projects. And if you speak the Russian language, check out Mark's channel, Coin Master. I'll include that in the description as well. That's it for me. Hit that like button and subscribe on the way out, and I'll catch you in the next video.